Whoa.
What you doing, Kyle?
In a circle.
You're running in a circle? Why are you running in a circle?
It's fun.
It's fun?
Yeah.
Does that mean we don't have to buy you any more toys?
Maybe you are a little dizzy, huh?
No. Oh. I stopped.
Hey, can you push the book?
Huh?
Can you push the book into a corner so you don't trip on it? Just push it out of the way. Okay. Are you dizzy yet?
No. From the playground.
Oh. You okay?
Yeah.
Are you a little bit dizzy?
No.
Are you sure?
Before you went giant playground. Whoa. Probably I am.
What?
Go. Go, Daddy. Over there. There's
You wanna
cycle.
run? Hey, you want to get on here? We'll spin? You ready? You okay? Look up. Okay. You snorting again?
Yeah.
Probably gonna go soon. Time
Yeah.
is it?
It's almost 5. We gotta go to class.
Time to start?